Welcome to Synerlead's podcast. We appreciate you taking the time to listen to this amazing, incredible podcast for today. Synerlead offers specialized workshops designed to enhance team cohesion and leadership skills among unity builders. We provide collaborative leadership development, team dynamics, and cohesion enhancement, and innovative problem solving and decision making. We work with employers to connect them with leading industry experts. It's really an amazing opportunity for us to be here today to talk with all of you about Dr. Morton's article. So, joining me is one of our amazing, incredible keynote speakers. So, let's just check out and see what she thought about the article. And I'll be back at the end to talk with you more about Synerlead and how you can get connected.
I am absolutely thrilled by the fantastic work happening at Synerlead. This program is truly what we have been yearning for to bring together the wonderful connections between employers and industry-leading experts. First, I would like to commend you for the incredible work you are doing to provide employers with the essential tools, relationships, and accessibility to dedicated individuals who are committed to fostering a workplace that not only supports, but maximizes their substantial investment in the talented people hired to sustain their vision goals and business success. Before I delve into my commentary on Dr. Morton's article, I want to emphasize that Synerlead's foundation is firmly rooted in empowering employers to uncover innovative strategies that foster a vibrant and progressive workplace. Dr. Morton articulates that cultivating a team atmosphere does not undermine the role of leadership. Instead, it redefines it to be more inclusive and supportive, enhancing overall organizational success. Leaders in team-oriented workplaces are facilitators and collaborators, guiding and nurturing their teams, rather than merely overseeing them. By engaging with employees in a meaningful way, leaders are not only providing guidance, but also demonstrating their commitment to their team members' growth and success. This active involvement from leadership can be a powerful incentive for employees, fostering a greater sense of connection to their roles and to the organization as a whole. Moreover, Dr. Morton explains that a team-focused approach encourages leaders to recognize and reward employees who demonstrate initiative and commitment. By implementing systems that actively acknowledge contributions, leaders reinforce the value of each employee's input. Recognition systems, whether in the form of verbal acknowledgement, professional development opportunities, or performance-based incentives, send a clear message that every team member's contributions matter. This approach fuels a culture of continuous improvement, where employees are motivated to invest in both their own development and the company's success. In my closing remarks, I firmly believe that employees seek a progressive workplace that facilitates not only financial gain, but also personal development. Therefore, it is imperative for employers to earnestly consider reforms aimed at cultivating a workplace culture that mitigates the challenges of high turnover rates for those employers focused on talent retention. It is essential to fundamentally reevaluate the significance of team building.
Oh my gosh, I really appreciate Carol to you dropping all of the keys and the nuggets and explaining and expressing how important team building is. If you'd like to join us, please go over to Synerlead.com and apply today. It is 100% free to apply. We appreciate you, and we're always looking for incredible catalysts who can continue to keep facilitating and training and supporting the efforts of small to mid-sized enterprises in making sure that their workforce environment is healthy and also has the initiatives that you hold in your wonderful and amazing and incredible knowledge base. So please reach out to us by going to Synerlead.com. Thank you so much for listening and have an incredible and amazing rest of your day.